Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have an iPhone 5C restoration. Video. So here we have a blue 5C, which I will be converting to a green one. This one, if you search the IMEI on it, iPhone 5C screen just had a meltdown. But anyways, this board is iCloud locked. So if this has a passcode, this will turn up as iCloud locked even though it's not no Apple ID. But yep, the iPhone had a meltdown. Let's power it off right here. Okay. The home button doesn't work, so I just have to open it like this. Yeah, let's just go ahead and unscrew it. So, yeah. Unscrew the screws. You can see I've already got some tools out. I was just disassembling this iPhone 5C here so that the video wouldn't be too long. Okay, it shut down. But opening the display, you can see it's water damaged. I did replace the dot connector on this one. The home button doesn't work because of the damage right here. Also has a bad battery, so I need to change those. Anyways, we can just unscrew this bracket right here. You can see the display is missing a screw. So somebody's definitely been in here before, but yeah. Putting the bracket aside and just start disconnecting these cables. Disconnect it right here. Disconnect this cable and use my finger to push out the SIM card tray. Get it out, put it with the other SIM card tray, and start unscrewing the display. Can remove the bracket and put it aside and start disconnecting those display cables. Look at that foam piece. That is really not aligned. But anyways, here I used this 5C right here. I just wanted to mention for parts. This one I accidentally reset when it was Find My iPhone on. It had my ID on it. I don't know why I put it. But I forgot to turn Find My iPhone off. Now it's iCloud locked with another Apple ID for some reason. I guess that's just how Apple does it. But you can just start disconnecting these cables right here. Disconnect the camera. So now we can just start unscrewing the logic board since there are no connectors connected. Put those aside. And unscrew the last standoff screw. Get our Phillips bit and start unscrewing the regular Phillips head screws. Okay, we can now lift up the board. Get a metal pry tool there. I don't recommend you use a metal one because you might damage the board, but I'm not the best. I'm not really professional, but I'm pretty good at it. So taking out the cable, can lift it out, and we can now put it into this shell housing, whatever you want, whatever way you want to say it. Oh, I almost forgot to connect this cable. I need to get a good look at it and connect it. Alright, now that it's connected, we can just slide the board into the housing shell and let it sit there and connect some of the cables. This one is kind of hard to connect. Let me do it off camera here. Here's some entertainment. Just stare at that. Alright, I got it connected. Goodbye, entertainment. We can just plug in the cables and start screwing in the logic board screws. And I do have another battery. This isn't a new battery, but it'll give better battery life because the battery on the other housing shell says 76% health, and it said 4/12/20, so that's definitely a date of some sort. So it's definitely been replaced to last year, but I'm not sure how it can get, the health can get that bad. So yeah. So next we wanna just screw in the standoff screws. And then the last standoff screw goes right here. And now let's just get the new display, well, the used display, the one that's in better condition, so we can just plug that in and test the phone out. Wait, let's not test it out now. Let me just plug in the old battery. I'm gonna try and pry this. This wasn't even stuck. The battery in the old one wasn't even stuck down properly. Let me just try and turn it on. There we go. Let me get a charger plugged in just to see if the dock connector works. This thing is running iOS 10.3.4 and it's 32 gigabytes, 32 gigs. And this old shell will probably just be used for parts. I'll get another dock connector in there. But it's in fairly okay condition, pretty scratched. Same with this one. I might use this one day because this is in pretty good condition for a 5C. But right here, you can see that it's working and it is charging. Let me see if it plays any sound. And it does, so it is working. So we can turn it off, unplug the battery, and screw in the brackets. So I'm gonna get the bracket and screw in the screws. These are the old screws, and I'm gonna get a screw from the iCloud locked 5C, but I'll just reuse these ones for this phone. Screw that one in. So we can get the spare screw in there. Alright, next we can just plug in the battery and put the bracket on for the iPhone. The screw isn't aligned. Alright, that's done. Now we can just screw in the screws. There we go. Actually, no, I wanted to put the other battery in. Stupid me. Take out the bracket. Okay, unplug it and get the good battery in there. Plug it in, stick it down. There is a little bit of adhesive, not much, but it'll do. Screw it in. Other screw. Oh, wait just a second. All right, can close it up. There we go, we can power up the iPhone. Oh yeah, right, this battery is dead. How did I forget that? I was a little worried there for a second, but the battery is just dead. Pop the SIM tray in, and we'll plug it in. And we'll let that charge up for a bit. And yeah, I hope you guys, actually, so just compare it to the old housing. You can see there is more damage. This 5C, the restored 5C will definitely get, cleaned off. But anyway,